Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is the lesson number 2 for class 4 from Pakistan Overseas and Duhtarane Millat Higher Secondary School Mandir. Our vision is to develop a prosperous and God-fearing society on the basis of education. And our mission is to develop the students into model executives of the future by the best balance of academic and character building in the light of the Quran and the Sunnah. Our message of the week is अमल से ज़िंदगी बनती है जन्नत भी जहन्नुम भी अमल से ज़िंदगी बनती है जन्नत भी जहन्नुम भी ये हक़ की अपनी फितरत में ना नूरी है ना नारी। प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे इस मैसेज ऑफ द वीक का मतलब ये है कि जो हम इल्म हासिल करते हैं उसकी जज़ा और सज़ा का ताल्लुक़ हमारे अमाल से है। अगर हम अमल करेंगे तो ही हमारे हक़ में जन्नत लिखी जाएगी, लेकिन अगर हम बेअमाल रहेंगे तो फिर हम जहन्नुम के मुस्तहिक हैं, क्योंकि इंसान जो कि एक मिट्टी से बना हुआ है वो ना तो फितरत में हकीकत में ना तो नूरी है ना नारी है, बल्कि उसका ताल्लुक़ उसके अमाल से है। इसलिए हम जो इल्म हासिल करेंगे हमें उस पर अमल भी करना है ताकि हमारे हक़ में जन्नत लिखी जाए। The subject is English and the lesson number is 2. Today the date is June 10, 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Our lesson is unit number 7 in a guava orchard. As we know, fruits are blessing of Allah, and in this chapter we will discuss a fruit that is guava. Let's start the reading of unit number 7 in a guava orchard at the page number 43 from the second paragraph. Suddenly, I heard Rahil's cry, "Samir Hassan, run, run! The watchman is coming!" I saw a tall, frightening figure approaching us. He was waving a scarf in his hand. Rahil and Samir were running towards the gate, and the watchman was after them, shouting aloud, "Stop! Don't run, or I will catch you!" I jumped down from the tree and started running fast without wasting a second. Rahil and Samir were far ahead. As I skipped over ditches in the orchard, the guavas began to fall out of my pockets. My friends managed to jump out of the orchard. The watchman was coming closer and closer to me. I ran furiously. I took a mighty leap and landed on the top of the wall. The last guava in my pocket rolled out. I did not want to lose it at any cost, so I jumped back to pick it up, but I slipped and fell down. As I stood up to make a jump, I felt the watchman's strong hands over my shoulders. He held me by the shoulders and whisked me away to his master. The master looked calm but terrifying. I thought he would scold or punish me. I was scared to death. Suddenly, he got up and stood straight before me. Come to the next page, page number 44. "What's your name and which school do you go to?" he asked. "I am Hassan. I study in a nearby school. I said. Do you like guavas? He asked. I nodded my head. Where are your friends? He inquired. I kept quiet, feeling embarrassed. He then asked the watchman to bring some guavas. The watchman came back with the basket of guavas. Go ahead and take as many as you want, said the master. I just stood looking at him. You are like my child, he spoke softly. This is your orchard. You don't have to enter here like thieves. You have to do things in a proper way. You should go to the watchman first and ask permission to take fruit. He will help you. I took some guavas from the basket. There was a smile on his face. He allowed me to go. He bade me goodbye and said, Remember, Hassan, always use the right means. Never use wrong methods to get anything you want. Never do anything that makes you feel guilty. I left the orchard with guavas in my pocket, but I had learned a lesson of a lifetime. Dear students, we have done our reading. Now it's time to learn some new words of this chapter. So new words at the page number 43 are figure, approaching, skipped, ditches, whisked, terrifying, scared. The new words at page number 44 are inquired, embarrassed, permission, guilty. Okay, dear students, now it's time to learn the words meanings of this chapter. So let's start. The first word is whisk and its meaning is rush. The next word is terrifying and the meaning is horrify. The next word is skipped and the meaning is leap. The next word is guilty and the meaning is sinful. The next word is embarrassed and its meaning is shamed. The next word is approach and its meaning is near. Now it's time to do the words sentences of this chapter. So the first word is watchman. The sentence is the watchman is at the gate. The watchman is at the gate. The next word is approach. The man is approaching to me. The next word is furious. He ran furiously. The next word is scared. You scared me. Now it's time to do the fill in the blanks. The watchman caught blank and whisked him away to his master. The watchman caught, sighed, and whisked him away to his master. The next sentence is he was scared to blank. He was scared to death. I blank my head. I nodded my head. The next sentence is never use blank means to get anything. Never use wrong means to get anything. We have done our work. Now it's time to write down your diary. And your diary is unit number 7, next reading of page number 43 and full page of 44. Words meanings and words sentences for learn. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Thank you.